Now we are going to discuss our next topic, which is the basic instructions. First basic instructions are the bit instructions, which have the following types. First is the examine if closed. This instruction is also called normally open contact input. Normally open contact input, which is used to determine if the bit is on. This is the symbol of the instruction. When this instruction is executed, if the bit address is on, then instruction is evaluated as true. If the bit address is on, then instruction is evaluated as true. And if bit address is off, then evaluated as false. If the bit address is 0 or off, then evaluated as false. Second type of instruction is examine if open. This instruction, also called normally closed contact input, is used to determine if the bit is off. This is the symbol of examine if open instruction. When this instruction is executed, if the bit address is off or 0, then the instruction is evaluated as true. And if the addressed bit state is on or 1, then it is evaluated as false. Third type is output energize, OTE, also called coil output. This is the symbol for this instruction. Coil output is used to control the output bit state. When the instruction is executed, if the rung condition is true, then the addressed output bit is set to 1 or energized. And if the rung condition is false, then addressed output bit is set to 0 and or de-energized. Next instruction is output latch and output unlatch. OTL output latch, OTU output unlatch. OTL and OTU are retentive output instructions. OTL output latch can only turn on a bit. OTU output unlatch turns off a bit. First we will discuss OTL instruction. When OTL instruction is executed, if the rung condition is true, addressed output bit is set to 1. This is a symbol for output latch instruction. When this instruction is executed, if the rung condition is true, then addressed output bit is set to 1 energized. And if the rung condition becomes false, the addressed bit state remains unchanged. Second one is the OTU, output unlatch, OTU. When OTU instruction is executed, if the rung condition is true, the addressed output bit is reset to 0. This is the symbol for OTU output unlatch instruction. If the rung condition is true, addressed output bit is set to 0, de-energized. If the rung condition is false, the addressed output bit state remains unchanged. Last instruction is the one-shot rising OSR instruction. The OSR instruction, this is a symbol for OSR instruction. This instruction is a retentive input instruction that triggers an event to occur one time when the rung condition preceding OSR changes from false to true, then addressed OSR bit becomes true only for scan cycle and then becomes false. If the rung condition preceding OSR changes from true to false, then OSR instruction, addressed OSR bit becomes false